With initial investments of $600 million, an international real estate alliance launches their first projects from Dubai. RMS Capital Investment, the real estate developing alliance of three partners, including an Emirati, Azerbaijani, and Turkish companies, announced the launch of the first project from Dubai, which is a new phase of the Vardhana project that Reportage Properties is developing in Dubai. The alliance, which includes reportage properties from the UAE, the Turkish Misa Holding, and the Azerbaijani Sabah Investment Group, plans to pump initial investment estimated at the $600 million in the three markets. The new move was disclosed at an international press conference held in Dubai this week to announce the future plans of RMS Capital Investment Real Estate, as the new company intends to launch their second project on the shores of the Caspian Sea in Baku within the Arabian Ranches Sea Breeze project in Azerbaijan. Promising opportunities addressing the press conference, Andrea Nukera, managing director of Reportage Properties, confirmed that the alliance is committed to develop innovative and sustainable projects in the real estate sector and provide distinguished real estate projects with added value to customers. Nukera said that the real estate sector in the UAE offers distinguished investment opportunities in light of attractive, encouraging investment environment provided by the UAE for international investors, which encourages many developers to explore promising opportunities in the UAE real estate sector. He stressed that the increase in reportage property sales recorded in all the UAE projects encourages the new alliance, which includes two giant companies such as the Turkish Misa Holding and the Azerbaijani Sabah Investment Group, to launch new projects in the UAE. Reportage Properties portfolio includes 50 projects in the UAE, Egypt, Turkey, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, East Africa, Rwanda, Uganda, and Azerbaijan. The company's sales topped 3.7 billion AED in 2023 compared to 2.3 billion AED in 2022, a growth of more than 60%. During the first 6 months of the current year, the sales exceeds 303 billion AED. The first partnership projects would be implemented in Dubai, Istanbul, and Baku between 2024 and 2025, with total investment amounting to $600 million. Financing will be provided by the partners, while the central management of the projects will be organized from Dubai.